Hi there, my name is Lydia Wright, and I'm the owner of My Yoga in The Hague in the Netherlands. And yeah, what is my yoga journey? Long story short, I grew up in the Rocky Mountains in the US. And when I was 17, I had a car accident where I broke 4 vertebrae in my upper middle back. Not a nice experience. But then I did physio work for 2 years, and everybody said, hey, that's as good as it's going to get. You have to learn to live with the pain. I opted out of doing surgery and pretty much just learned to live with it. And then fast forward years later, 1999, I came across my first Bikram yoga class and experienced a tremendous change just in the first class that I felt the vertebra moving. And I thought to myself, oh, I think I have to keep doing this. And I did. And practicing the yoga for at least 2 years with a lot of pain, but with the faith that, hey, this is moving in the right way, movement is good. Um, I now live pain free from that injury for, over 24, 23 years. And then fast forward, I ended up becoming a yoga teacher in 2003. And I came to Amsterdam in 2004 just to teach yoga there for 2 months, then head back to San Francisco, but didn't head back. Instead, made the choice to move to The Hague and open my own school in 2006. And then open a second one in Rotterdam in 2008. And then fast forward further, sold that school 2019, and here we are, 2024. And I'm still the happy, proud, passionate owner of this little school in The Hague. And I'm amazed by this practice, the Bikram practice that we do. It's so simple, and it's so accessible for so many different kinds of people. And I still enjoy practicing it, and I still enjoy teaching it. And then also in that process, I think 2014 was the first time I gave a yoga retreat. And then in 2017 was the first time I ended up at Delhi Jo. And when I did, it was clear for me, this is the place to be. This is where I want to do the retreats. And I love giving yoga retreats because it's a chance to grow the community of the yoga school that we have, that other students get to meet other students and form friendships. And these are friendships that I've seen blossom over the years that we've been doing the retreats, that me as the teacher and a teacher that I bring with me, we get to learn a little bit more about the students. And friendships are formed and the community is strengthened. And people get a chance to really dive deep in their yoga practice and learn more and get excited about what they're doing and share it with other people. And so it's a multiplying effect. Why do I choose Delhi Jo? I think the location is beautiful. It's in the mountains. It's got nature all around it. The property is wonderful. The buildings are beautiful. The decoration is beautiful. The gardens are amazing. Of course, the food is top, top, top incredible. Chef is always the popular person at the retreats. But I think hands down, the team at Delhi Jo, the people there that run it, they are an amazing community in themselves. And everyone feels welcome every time we come there. And that's why we have so many retreaters that come back year and year and year over again. And I hope to see that continue for many years in the future, and looking forward to our next one very, very soon. Thanks, Delhi Jo.